So hello friends, in this video I am going to share a material resources where you can download the files, input files or output files directly. Like materials project, there is one more website from where you can download your input structures, and it will work in so many cases, but in some cases it will not show the correct structure that you want. So I will just share what is the name. So it's called NOMAD, NOMAD library. So NOMAD is something. Its full form is Novel um, Material Artificial Database, like something that. So you can just search it there. You can just click it. So you will get a name NOMAD laboratory, and then there are the things you can go to down calculations. You can upload your data, you can analyze their your input like using an artificial uh, toolkit. So there are like two options. You can I will just show you. So first I think I will just show you this material input. So from there also you can download. It's a material encyclopedia. You can download so many structures from here, and they will show you the best possible way, or find the structures, best possible structures you can download. There are crystal systems, bulk, but that you can explore. But the main thing is, if you want to search data, calculation data using different code, like quantum express or VASP, then uh, you must go to the previous option. You can go to NOMAD, and then you have to search for calculations. Now, how to search? It is somewhat difficult, but you will, when you practice, you will definitely going to learn it. So you have to go to elements and formula, and elements and formula, when they will come, it will just show you some whole periodic table, and then you can search. So my way of searching is sodium. I want to search for sodium chloride. Now it should only composition that have exclusively contain these atoms. So you have to search for this option. Now, now as this thing is now you can search. So there are several uh, options already. They have come. You can go to DFT and other things. You can check. There is one more way you can just appropriately do it. You can go to DFT, and then you can just, suppose you want to just see an GGA functional, or then this search will become more appropriate. Now you can go to materials, and you want to search just bulk. Now you have also added a bulk. So NaCl bulk. Now simulate method we have already discussed. Simulations you can do. So you can just search on VASP. Then it will become very appropriate for your use. You can just, okay, the data is more or less related to DFT, but then we can just go to uh, uh, we can just go and search for each and every repository, and we can just check what are the files we need. And now let me just again do it, and we can go to um, entries. Entries are better. We can just, we have to like explore it more and more. More you will explore, you will have some more. Now element and formula, you can just go, if there is something, yes, you can just go here, and then you can definitely download the files you want. You can directly download it from here. Suppose I want to just download it from here, sodium chloride, and I want to know the raw data. Raw data is there, and you can select all, and you can download it. Simply you can download, see all the though I have already downloaded it, but we will just make another copy. It will be from another person, it will be from different person. Now we have, okay, it is downloading. Yeah, it is downloading. So we can just go to our file, and this is our nzap. So I will just make a new folder for that. That will be more appropriate because otherwise you will have something different. So new folder, please. My laptop is not responding. So you can just, okay, so we have to just wait for a few seconds. It will definitely respond because it's, my laptop is old, but sometimes it show me such kind of problem, but I never tried to change it because I feel my laptop is like my best friend. He helped, my laptop helped me in my bad times, so I always try to do it in this laptop, but I will try to increase the RAM of this laptop. So we can just download this, we can just cut it, and we will just take it outside. That's it. That's what we want. So yes, we have like files are like they are removing. There is another way you can directly extract it, but I don't feel like extracting. But there are several like files which are very big. So you can just see how much time it will take. You have to just wait for some time, and definitely I feel that it will definitely, there are 18 items, so it will hardly take few seconds. Technically it will take few seconds, but let me just, we just have to wait because I can show you the way the files I have downloaded, but I want you to just make sure that I am not just uh, saying things and it is not happening during the videos. That is very important, that suppose if we are making some tutorial, it should work during the videos. Otherwise there is no point of people who are watching our videos. So my funda or whatever you can say, it is very clear. I always try to show how till the end step from starting, how you have to do it, how you have to find it, the ways you have to gone through, what is the time that, what is the time it is taking, how we can just reduce our efforts, reduce our work in a way that it works good for us. Now that is the file we have downloaded. Let's see whether it is going to work or not. So we have incur file. Let me just open it. So incur will take some time, but it will now it will not take. So incur we can see incur should be, because I thought it should be a VASP incur. Yeah. So you can see how good it is. It is already okay. It's a single point energy calculation because the number of ionic steps are zero. So it is basically in single point energy calculations. And let me just show you the, and you can also get and customize k points. You can see this is very good. So yeah, they have like customized k points. So I always insist that the things which are not in my control, these are the voices coming outside from outside, so please bear with me. And I am recording without any fan, AC, or the luxurious thing. You can put this what you want, and I have to just close it. It is my cluster detail, and definitely I can just connect it, or I have dragged it. So wow, very wonderful way of downloading the structure. So can we just search for another system? Definitely we can search. We can go to explore and we can search for entries. Simply, as simple as that. Now I will not download the file, but I will just show you something else. Okay, so we have like, okay, so we have to like again, we have to just go to like this way. It might happen because of something. So okay, so it is taking time, but yeah, definitely it will work. So we have to go to entries. It is still downloading. Okay, so yeah, we can go to elements, and this time I want to just have some different structure. I will not use bulk as an option. Now suppose we Want to search for titanium oxide system. And again, VASP I will just remove and GG I will remove. I will remove everything. I will just now search for titanium oxide. Where is titanium? Titanium, we want you. Please raise your hand. So titanium is there, oxygen is there, and only composition that are exactly contained in this atom. Now you can just make, you can go for surface. People always ask how you are generating structure. So there must be very I think good way they have like generated the structure. So suppose if I go to intro ID, it will show what kind of surface it is. So you can see. Now there is another option, raw data. You can always download process data. Process data. Let me just go to process data. You can see the results. Definitely, materials results you can get. What are the chemical formula, vector surfaces, methods you can check. Yes, properties you can check. What kind of properties you want, geometry optimization, structures, whatever you wanted to calculate, you can just go and search it. So it's a very good way of like knowing the structures and getting the structures, customized structures and customized files. Again, there is one thing I should share with you. You will not get any podcast file even if you download it. So there will be no podcast file because VASP is a paid software. So it will be difficult. So I hope, and NOMAD is a very good library for material database, and I think that you can always search all the entries, analyze, and all the data you can actually explore, all the options you can explore for your things. And very important thing, you can specify your code. Suppose you are like, suppose you are going and you are want one very popular code you are just trying. Suppose I am looking for a code. uh, Let me just simulations. I think TFT, not simulations. Will be, yeah. You can go to Quantum Espresso. You can download file for Quantum Espresso. How good is that? It was like a bingo moment. Show more. You can get so many like A flow, atomic flow, atom. Means there are several uh, way or some several codes you can just get it from there. So I hope you like this video, and please do comments what problems you are facing, whether you are able to download structures or not. So yeah, I'm always welcome those kind of questions. So and I would like to thank Nomad for providing us a very good library to get the database. And though I am not a very authorized person to claim these are not my data, so but it's a very good anyway, it's a very good library, or you can say material database from where you can download the structures. Thank you for watching my videos. I hope you are having a very nice